Check out this amazing CPA marketing strategy that could enable you earn money in two ways. You can earn money both with CPA marketing and with another platform I'm going to show you right now in this video. So stick on as we watch the video to the end right now. Now the first step in actually achieving this strategy is to get CPA marketing offers you want to promote, and there are various platforms you can just simply do to gain access to that. Now once you come onto the platform right now, you can actually come onto the section to get offers right now. As you can see, I'm using CPAGrip. To gain access to this platform, you want to just simply head onto the platform CPAGrip.com, click on register, fill out the form which will be shown right now, and get your account created. Log into your account, come onto this offer tools option, select that, select my offers, and be brought to this page. Now you can actually filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. I'm utilizing the United States, and mind you, this particular strategy will involve us getting offers from various countries right now. Now you want to get a very cool sweepstake offer from each country right there. Maybe if I do select this offer, you can see much more details to the offer, the payments, the payouts that you'll be getting, the kind of offer that this is actually is, an Android offer and a mobile install offer. And guys, once you're done understanding the offer, you can just simply copy the link and create a landing page for that. You can utilize platforms like Google Sites, System.io, or Linktree. Now Linktree is actually an amazing platform you want to leverage. If I actually do go on to login into my account, you're going to see that I'm promoting multiple CPA marketing offers to various countries around the world right now. So take a look at these guys. As you can see, I'm promoting offers to various countries around the world. You can see right here on the preview section that there's an offer to the United Kingdom, USA, United Kingdom again, Australia, and you can just simply go on to adding more offers right now. Click on add link. You're just simply going to add the link to the offer. Click on add. I'm going to giving that a very cool title, and maybe you can actually add in a thumbnail, and that will actually be quite cool. Select more countries, add more links to that particular or more offers to this particular page from various countries, and go on to promoting that. Now the platform we're just simply going to be leveraging to promote our offers is this platform called the Vocal.media. This is an amazing platform to get a lot of cool targeted traffic, or rather cool and amazing traffic to your CPA marketing offers. Now you can just simply leverage this right now and just simply go on to writing cool and amazing stories, as this is a very cool platform that actually connect writers and readers together. So you can sign up to the platform, write cool and amazing stories. Once people read those stories, you're going to get paid right here on Vocal.media. And you could also leverage those stories to promote your CPA marketing offers and earn some cool cash also with CPA marketing. So you're going to be earning from both ways with this strategy. Now you may be wondering, how come you can you actually go into utilizing this platform even though you're not a very cool and amazing writer? Now what you actually need to do is, regardless of whether you're a good writer or not, just try writing something out right there. Write something that is actually maybe your words, and you can then go on to utilizing platforms like ChatGPT to help you go on to rephrasing those words, or actually rewriting that particular article which you did write. And ChatGPT is actually going to help you boost that article and write it better. Now the reason why we are not actually utilizing ChatGPT from scratch to actually write generate some cool content is because most times some platforms like this, which is Vocal.media, actually detect AI generated content. And maybe if you're utilizing the AI generated content, you actually need to indicate that that's an AI generated content before at the top of the post right there, so that you're not actually going to be breaching any Vocal.media rights or any Vocal.media rules right now. Now that's quite amazing. All you need to do is to click on create story right now, and if you do click on create story after signing up, you just need to go on to giving it a very cool title. You also need to add a very cool subtitle right now, and you can see right here it says, for you to actually submit this article for review, you need to have a title, subtitle, plus featured image, video, and content. Now once you're adding a very cool title and subtitle, you can just simply paste in the write-up in this section, and you can just simply select images from the unsplash section right now. Maybe if I'm actually focusing on weight loss, I can just simply type in weight loss, and if I do type in weight loss right now, click on enter, I'm going to see a lot of cool and amazing images, of which I can just simply select one right now. So when I select this, that has actually been added. I can write my article right here, also adding my title and subtitle, and once that is done, I could just simply save changes and submit that for review on this platform. And also make sure guys that you're actually adding a very cool call to action to promote your CPA marketing offers. And like I said guys, you don't want to just simply use ChatGPT to generate content from scratch right now, because if you're doing that guys, you're actually going to be breaching some of the Vocal.media rules right now. Because if I do actually going to show you an example right now of what that may actually cost you. Take a look at this post right here. This post was actually generated with the help of artificial intelligence right now. And if I scroll down to the bottom section, you can just simply take a look at this comment. This comment says, "Hello, AI is permitted on Vocal.media. It is a Vocal policy that content created with AI is identified as such at the start of the story/article. Your article or story has many hallmarks of AI assisted and generated content." So you can actually do see right here that you actually need to go on to identifying such content that you generate with ChatGPT as AI generated story and article before actually go on to writing the full story right there. So you just need to go on to taking note of this right now. You can pause the video and actually read through the entirety of this message right now, and you're going to see much more details. Now if you actually do this successfully right there and actually go on to posting on this platform guys, you can actually be earning both with Vocal.media and also both with CPAGrip right now. Now you can take note guys that with Vocal.media you can actually go on to earning up to $3.8 per 1,000 views right now. That's absolutely cool. That's if you're actually a normal Vocal.media creator. But if you're actually a Vocal Plus creator, you're gonna be earning up to $6 right now per 1,000 views. And how do you actually become a Vocal creator right now, a Vocal Plus creator? For a Vocal Plus, if you click on this section, you can see much more details about becoming a Vocal Plus creator. Now take a look at these guys. Here are some of the details of becoming a Vocal Plus creator right now. As you can see, with the Vocal Plus creator, you can actually get some benefit right here. Instead of $3.8 per 1,000 views, you're gonna be earning about $6 per 1,000 views. And here are some of other cool and amazing features right now that you can also earn from the Vocal Plus creator right there. And you can actually do see that much more details about that particular section right here. So make sure you actually do take out your time, write out the content, utilize ChatGPT to modify the content, and go on to posting that on Vocal.media as a story. Now the article does not actually need to be good. ChatGPT is actually going to go on to making that article quite very good right there. So regardless of how your article looks like, ChatGPT is going to do the magic so far you're utilizing the right prompt. And you can just simply leverage that right now, create cool content, and make money online. Now if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you may want to check out my channel OJ Marketing. I make cool and amazing videos on ways to make money online, and supposing you like such kind of content, you can scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn your notification bell on all so that you always get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.